Our top 5 best smart lights. One number product. Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Smart Bulb. Simple to get started, set the mood with 16 million colors. Control your Philips Hue smart lights all with just the touch of a button on your mobile device or your favorite voice assistant. Add up to 10 Hue Bluetooth, Zigbee smart bulbs with the free Hue Bluetooth app. When ready to connect a voice assistant, just go to Settings greater than Add Voice Assistant in the Hue app. 2 number product. Sengled Smart Light Bulb. Voice control, color changing Wi-Fi classic smart bulbs that work with Alexa and Google Home. Control your smart light bulb via voice commands to turn your smart bulbs on, off, create colorful mood scenes, adjust brightness, and more. For example, switch on the Alexa light bulbs before getting out of bed, dim the smart lights from the couch to watch a movie. 5 number product. Twinkly Flex app-controlled flexible light tube. 1080p HD security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, two-way talk and audio plus, 3D motion detection, HDR, and a built-in 110 decibels security siren upgraded with advanced security features like improved noise reduction and bird's eye view, a way to monitor motion events from above in the Ring app. 4 number product. LIFX Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Strip. Can cut to length or add additional strips later. Rich color combinations, and tunable white for bias lighting. Protect your eyes. Polychrome technology, 16 addressable zones that can animate with the LIFX exclusive effects library. Control, voice, scheduling, scenes, effects integrations and fade tools like Apple's adaptive lighting, Alexa light alarms, or Google Sleep Wake. 5 number product. Twinkly Flex app-controlled flexible light tube. Use the free Twinkly app for iOS and Android to fully manage Twinkly Flex. Choose, create and design effects, apply a timer, and switch your lights on and off. Easy setup. Using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi you can quickly set up your Twinkly Flex and start playing with it in seconds. Thanks for watching this video.